Cordless vacuum cleaners in 2025 are no longer just a convenient alternative. They're the new gold standard for modern home cleaning. Thanks to leaps in battery technology, these devices now rival traditional corded models in suction power while offering unmatched mobility and ease of use. Whether you're cleaning tight corners, stairs, or even your car interior, the freedom of a cordless vacuum transforms the chore into a seamless experience. But not all models are created equal. The best ones combine high-efficiency brushless motors, multi-stage HEPA filtration, and smart features like adaptive suction control and app connectivity. Yet beneath the sleek designs lie some crucial trade-offs. Battery life, weight distribution, and dustbin capacity can make or break the user experience. Some brands prioritize power over ergonomics, while others sacrifice runtime for lightweight builds. It's vital to understand your home's needs. Do you have pets, carpets, hardwood floors? Are you looking for a daily quick cleaner or a deep cleaning beast? In this video, we've tested and handpicked the most well-rounded cordless vacuums that strike the perfect balance between performance, build quality, and value. Links to all the models we cover are in the description and pinned comment below so you can explore them in detail.
Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the Black+Decker Powerseries Plus 16V cordless stick vacuum, a true underdog in the world of budget-friendly cordless cleaners. Don't let the price fool you. This sleek little beast delivers a punch of power that easily tackles everyday messes on both hard floors and low-piled carpets. It features a motorized brush head with bright LED lights, perfect for chasing down dust bunnies under furniture, and it cleverly transforms into a handheld for sofas, stairs, and car interiors. The controls are simple, the handle feels solid, and the suction is surprisingly satisfying for such a lightweight model. Now, it's not a marathon runner, the battery is best suited for quick jobs, and the top-heavy design might feel a bit clunky for extended sessions. But if you're after a reliable, no-fuss vacuum for regular maintenance, this one gets the job done with way more style and power than its price suggests.
Landing in 4th place is the Tineco A11 Hero, a mid-range marvel that bridges the gap between budget and premium with impressive finesse. This cordless vacuum isn't just about suction, it's about smart design, intuitive handling, and genuinely useful features. With dual batteries included, it delivers extended cleaning time that outpaces many pricey rivals, while the powerful 450W motor handles everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair with ease. The LED-powered brush head, trigger lock for continuous cleaning, and versatile attachments make it a joy to use on any surface. It even converts into a handheld unit without breaking stride. Downsides? The dustbin could be larger, and the filter requires more frequent cleaning than some users would like. But if you're looking for a vacuum that feels premium without draining your wallet, the A11 Hero is a rock-solid choice that over-delivers at every term. Smooth, efficient, and quietly stylish.
Taking the 3rd spot is the Shark IZ862H Stratos cordless vacuum, a powerhouse that proves Shark isn't just chasing the big names, it's setting the bar. Armed with the brand's signature Duo Clean power fins and a self-cleaning brush roll, this beast eats up debris on both carpets and hard floors without hesitation. But it's not all muscle, it's got brands too. The CleanSense IQ Tech auto-adjusts suction based on the mess, giving you just the right amount of power without wasting battery. And speaking of battery, you get up to 60 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough for a full home sweep. The Multi-Flex wand bends to reach under furniture without you having to bend a knee, and it folds up for compact storage. It's slightly heavier than ultralight models and not the cheapest option in the lineup, but the premium feel, smart features, and raw cleaning ability make the Stratos a standout in the mid to high-end tier.
Claiming the number 2 spot with style, swagger, and serious suction is the Dyson V12 Detect Slim, a futuristic cleaning machine that feels more like a gadget from a sci-fi movie than a household tool. Dyson didn't just throw in more power, they reimagined how we see dirt, literally. With a built-in laser that reveals microscopic dust on hard floors, this vacuum turns cleaning into a visual experience. The V12 Detect Slim is lightweight but fierce, packing a digital motor that spins at up to 125,000 RPM and a piezo sensor that counts particles in real time, a adjusting suction on the fly like it's reading your mind. It's sleek, silent by Dyson standards, and even tells you what kind of dirt you just annihilated. The battery life is solid, around 60 minutes, but it's that feeling of wielding precision tech that sets it apart. Downsides, it's not cheap, and the bin is compact. But make no mistake, this isn't just a vacuum, it's Dyson's mic drop moment for clean freaks and tech lovers alike.
And taking the crown at number 1, the undisputed king of cordless cleaning in 2025, is the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a full-on cleaning ecosystem wrapped in a jaw-dropping design that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury showroom. Powered by AI-driven suction optimization, the Jet AI reads the floor type in real time and adjusts its performance with uncanny precision. Its 280 AW of raw suction tears through debris like a tornado, while the advanced HEPA filtration system traps even the finest allergens. But here's the real magic. Once you're done, it auto-empties into a sleek docking station that charges and cleans the vacuum simultaneously. Hands-free, mess-free, stress-free. The OLED display, the washable dustbin, the telescopic wand, every detail screams flagship. Downsides? Well, it's priced like royalty and weighs a bit more than mid-tier models. But if you're chasing the best of the best with zero compromises, the Bespoke Jet AI is where power meets elegance and smart tech meets pure cleaning domination.
From budget beasts to futuristic flagships, 2025 has redefined what cordless vacuums can do. And these 5 models prove it. Whether you're after quick daily sweeps, deep cleaning muscle, or smart features that feel like science fiction, there's a perfect match waiting. Just remember, the best vacuum isn't always the most expensive, it's the one that fits your lifestyle. All the links to these top contenders are waiting for you down in the description and pinned comment. So take a look, compare, and pick your cleaning champion. And hey, if this roundup helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button, drop your thoughts below, and subscribe for more tech-driven picks coming your way.